Welcome to another C5 Grape Ape video. This one's going to be in the house because it's hot outside. It has something to do with Grape Ape Garage. I came up with a new sign, poster, I don't know what you want to call it, but it's going to be my C5 Grape Ape sign for the garage that I'm going to put up. I got 3 different versions. I'm only going to use one, and the other 2 will have to just, I think my grandkids want them, so I made 3. One's a 16 by 20, the other 2 are 20 by 30. This video is also going to be a test for my new computer. I got a new computer so I could read the video that's on this new GoPro camera, because my old computer wouldn't do that. And I'm upgrading my video editing stuff. So I've got 3 different versions of this poster. I'll get them all out. I'll let you look at them. Well, there's another glitch in my camera. Why do I always have glitches? It's a brand new camera. It works great. But I always have issues with my cameras. I don't get it. I really don't get it. I was going to show you all 3 versions of my posters. I got 2 20 by 30s. They're both different. And I got one 16 by 20, which is the same as one of the bigger ones, but it's got a little different. But anyway, I'll show you the 2 versions that I'm going to keep, and the bigger one has 2 versions, but one without the complete border around it and with a different logo on the bottom. Does that make sense? Probably not. But anyway, I'll show you the 2 that I got framed, and that's as far as I can go. I don't want to take them back out of the frame. So here we go. Sorry. Alright, we got them put in the frames. They look really good. I'm not sure which one I like better, but there's the big one. Sorry for the glare. That's a yellow light from my thing that I made. But that's the big one. It looks good. I like that one. And there's the 16 by 20. That one looks good too. Which one do I use? Let me know which one you like better. I'm leaning towards this one. Everybody tells me this one. So let me know which one you like better. Whichever one I don't use, I'll probably give to the grandkids. My granddaughter sounded like she might have wanted one of them, but I'm leaning towards keeping that one. What do you think? Let me know what you got. That's going to do it for this video. Like I said, I just wanted to make sure my camera worked and my videos were able to be seen on my computer. And we're going to go from there. Hopefully it'll work. I'm sure it will. It's a new computer, new program. Good morning, y'all. The sun came up. The sun went down. The sun came up again. So that means it's another day. Today is July 19th, 2026. We're going out to put our little sign that we made into the garage. Hopefully we can find a good spot for it. So we shall see what we find, where we can put it. Looks like everything's full up in here, isn't it? I thought about putting it right there, but will that work? No, it's going to cover up my outlet. That won't work. Where are we going to put you? Where are we going to put you? Got to put you somewhere we can see you all the time. I don't think that'll work. That might work. That might work right there. I think I'll put it right there. I don't know where to put it. I'm out of room. It's going right there. I'll be back when I get it put up. Alright, there we have it. It's up. Looks good. Will it stay there? Who knows? Only time will tell. I got another toolbox coming. Not like that, it's a smaller one, but I think I'm going to have to put it over here. It's going to be for all my box stuff. I think I may have gotten too small of a toolbox, but we'll see. We'll see. Might have to put an end cap on it, like that one. But that's where that's going for now. I like it. That looks good. So that's going to do it for this video. And as always, stay safe, stay grape. God bless. And have a blessed day. Take care. Like my new shirt? I love it.